Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in once again. So guys, today I'm going to share with you this natural, inexpensive way of taking care of your lips and exfoliating them to maintain a soft, supple and healthy looking lips. There are many products out there in the market, but in the long run, they tend to rip your lips of their natural rosy glow. So today, I'm going to share with you the best homemade lip scrub that you can whip on your own at home without having to spend a fortune. So guys, keep watching as I share with you this homemade scrub that is going to help to remove dry skin, to make your lips look soft and smooth and keep them moist at all times. So for this remedy, we're gonna be needing sugar, and we need just 2 teaspoons of sugar. Next, we're gonna be making use of natural honey. Honey can help moisturize your lips and protect cracked lips from infection. It also works as a mild exfoliator and can help remove dry, dead skin from your lips. So guys, always go for the natural honey. I just added 1 teaspoon of honey to the sugar. Now I'm going to take time and mix them properly. And hi, are you stopping by for the first time? Thank you for watching. Kindly click on the subscribe button below to join the family. So guys, did you know sugar is one of the best natural skincare exfoliants, and being a natural abrasive can remove dead cells easily from your lips. Next, I'm going to be adding just 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the mixture. And did you know olive oil is an ancient natural beauty secret that is becoming an essential component of everyday skincare, including your lips. So be sure to go for the extra virgin olive oil. So take your time and mix the mixture very well until it's well combined. After a good mix, guys, your mixture, your scrub is ready. So this is actually going to help to lighten up those dark lips, guys. So put the mixture on your wet lips and gently massage it for a while. Leave it on for some minutes and rinse it off. Be sure to apply a moisturizer afterward. So guys, that's it for today. Kindly like my video and subscribe. Thank you.